Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and welcome to Anita's Vlog, episode 11. 10 took 2 weeks to shoot because one hurt my hand, and then I was just tired constantly. But I had been keeping up with everything. The temperature blankets I got like a day behind, 2 days behind, so I got those caught up. Everything's caught up except for today. I haven't done them yet. I'm going to eventually. But yeah, so last week, it was the last 2 weeks, it was just like I was exhausted from like work and then trying to like do stuff, and I'm still in disorganized chaos, so that's always fun. I did manage to finish my giant market bag. It's huge. Used up almost all of my scrap yarn. This is all the mesh and start, and up to about where the blue starts was all Hobby Lobby's. I love this cotton. This one is peaches and cream in the blue. You recognize it from the crocheted washcloth, face cloth tutorial. And then the rest of my, what do you call it? The red bucket hats right there. And this is part of the gray to finish off the straps. It is huge. Will I make one of these biggins for my shop? No, I'll stick with the small size because this is really, really large. I'm sure it holds a ton of stuff. So that's done. I'm gonna, next time I go and buy yarn, speaking of buying yarn, I'll use this if I need to make a large yarn purchase, which is not anytime soon. I'm not grabbing this blanket because I don't want my hooks to fall off, but I'm this close to being done with it, and I have to go and buy another dang skein of that yarn. And it's just like, I want it done. I just want it to be done. I just want it finished. I was hoping 4 skeins would do it. Nope, that sucker's going to take 5. Not all 5, but I need to get a 5th skein of it, so that's fun. I also started, I did not show this, but this is a sun hat. I need to open up something here with, where is it? Because I need to tell you who the designer is, and I cannot remember offhand, but I did write it down. It is by Crochet Dreams. So this is as far as I've gotten so far. Big old cone o yarn. I'm trying to remember what the colorway is. The yarn ball has disappeared. But yeah, and what's weird is on the brim, not the brim, the base of the hat, the yarn is doing this color pooling thing. Let me get back to a dark screen. Yeah, it's pooling all by itself. I'm not color controlling it. I'm not doing anything to it. So, yeah. And then I'll just stick it back on the cone. I'm still trying to get to 6.5 inches as per the pattern, and right now I have no idea where my tape measure went. I know I dropped it on the floor last night, but I haven't looked for it. I'm doing that. I'm also doing this kind of headscarf thing. Not with that hook. It's with this hook. It's like really long. It's the last leftovers from my spring and fall hat and scarf set. I do not have a lot of this left. I really wanted to go, so far I've only gotten 2 rows done. But I don't have a lot of this yarn left. I'm hoping to maybe get 3 or 4. My guess is probably just 3. But that's fine. So it's like, it's long. Maybe it can be like, you can tie it around your head or just wear it as a silly little scarf. Either one, but this is going to go to market or to shop, one of those. Same difference. I got this, started working on this again because I got a giant ball. If I can grab it to work on this. I'm hoping this should finish up that last strip so I can sew it up and then start on the next panel. This is panel, which one am I on? 1, 2, I'm only on 3. That's panel 3, and I need to start, hopefully this will take me to start panel 4. And I got one more of those over here in my basket. Throw that back on the floor and get all of that done. But today I have to do some adulting. I have to be a responsible adult, do my taxes, do my dishes, do my chores, check the oil and stuff in my car, which I need to do that, but it's only like a little after 10 a.m. and I don't want to go outside just yet, but I will. It needs to warm up. We also got a red flag warning for the next 2 days, I think, 2-3 days. So it's probably going to be windy, but it's like 50 something degrees outside right now, or it's close to 60. Let it load. Today, yeah, it's almost 60 degrees right now. It's 59. So I'm gonna like sit and I'm gonna do my temperature blanket stuff that I've buried my knit one under here. So I'm gonna grab the colors, get the colors down for the day, and then I will get to work on that, and I will show you after I'm done. Okay, so the temperature stuff is done, so I'm going to try and do this. I'm sitting here thinking I'm not going to have enough yarn to do as many rows as I want, so I'm thinking I'm going to end up putting this in one of the mystery bags that I still need to get the stuff for, and I'll do that next week. Whee! So let's crochet. I decided I wasn't going to play yarn chicken. Hi. So I'm going to take it apart. I didn't really like the pattern anyway, so I'm going to make wristlets instead. So I will be back. So instead of one less than stellar headscarf, I've got 5 wristlets out of it. Whee! So these are ready to go for my store. Eventually, I'm trying to get all this stuff done. I think my product amount is up to 44. Let me double check. Yep, I'm at 44. So yay! So close to being at 50. And as soon as I get the mystery bag stuff this coming weekend, that number will greatly increase. So, yay! Can't wait. Anyway, I'm just gonna veg, do nothing of great importance, probably watch a couple of episodes of Solo Leveling. My oldest daughter got me into watching anime again, so I just went through Jujutsu Kaisen and waiting for new episodes of that to come out. I started watching Blue Exorcist, and I'm now caught up to where I have to wait a week to watch the next episode in subtitles because it's not dubbed, which that's fine, whatever. Doesn't bother me a bit, but I'm just happy I got some market stuff done. I put my hands on, well, 2 projects, the temperature blanket and my market items. So super happy and getting ready for all of this. And I'm going to just veg out and do nothing for the next couple hours. So I will see you tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, happy St. Patrick's Day, belated. So earlier this week, or actually Thursday, I had issues with my web camera, so I couldn't really finish this vlog, which I'm finishing it now. So I ended up having to buy a new web camera. I don't have my light on. It's just I don't want to crawl over a bunch of stuff to plug it in, because I don't need to plug it into the computer or whatever. And it's like I'm still trying to get used to it, so I don't know how well it's going to work. I don't have a clue. I'm going to start the next vlog. I'll probably go over there and plug my light in for the next one, because it's a little dark right here. It's like not quite 10 p.m. on Sunday, the 23rd. So hopefully I have no more issues, none whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog now and then start the next week's vlog right after. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, and join the Discord, leave me a couple of comments. I'm happy to answer any questions you guys might have, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.